Alright, so today I'm teaching you how to work fantasy football. Alright, so my team right here, gotta go to the home screen and click on your team. Well, first you gotta log in. To do that, you just gotta go up here and just hit, usually there'll be a login like right around here, and you just log in. So my team's right here. Obviously, I've been on this in a couple weeks, so it's a little messed up. My record's 5-8. It says right there I'm fourth in the league. Okay, and that's just like the league is like all your like. Usually it's all your friends, but you can join a random league too. But like they have a competition. Usually the loser will have to do something or something like that. Yeah. Anyways, so you can like move your players right here, like a quarterback. I can swap them out, like right there. Russell Wilson's in, or actually I want Matt Ryan in, and then Marvin Jones Jr. Since he's out, then I just I have him in my bench, and I have Deshaun Jackson was out. Deshaun Jackson was out last week, so I'm going to move him right there, and then I will have to go to find a new wide receiver, and then I can pick what wide receiver I want. So let's say, let's just pick a random one. Let's just pick the top one, right there. Okay, so I just add them to my team, and then you just move them there. Okay. Now, let's say you wanted to trade a player, so you would select the team you want to trade with, and let's say you don't know what team you are or team you want to trade with, you can scout it out like Corey Schaefer's team. Let's say I want to trade Greg, but I couldn't trade Greg Olsen because it's playoffs, and you can't trade during playoffs. And yeah, that's pretty much fantasy. It's mostly luck, because if your players do bad, then you're kind of screwed. But yeah.